What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Jaisha and I'm about to do a little wash day reset. It has been a few washes since I've actually clarified my hair, and it's been a few months since I've done a protein treatment, and I like to keep up with those every so often. So that's what we're gonna do today. This wash and go is a whole week old, and it's actually not that bad, but it's just time to wash my hair. It's getting a little bit tangly, and I want to do a protein treatment because it's been a while and I need to detox. Starting off with the Cecred fermented rice and rose protein ritual. This is a two-step protein treatment, and y'all know I love me some Cecred. So for the first step, we need 24 ounces of water. So I'm just filling up my mason jar, and I'm using this because it shows me the ounces on the jar, so I know I have the correct ratio. And they do sell a shaker bottle for this treatment on the Cecred website for $20, but you do not need that. Is it a nice looking bottle, aesthetically pleasing bottle? Yes. Do you need it? No. I got this from the Dollar Tree for $1 when it was a real Dollar Tree before they raised the prices. RIP to Dollar Tree. Anyways, just adding the packet into the water, and then I'm gonna shake this up really good and let it all mix together. And on to washing my hair. Normally, when I do a protein treatment on wash day, I would do the protein treatment first and then wash my hair. But I realized that kind of doesn't make any sense. So this time I'm doing the opposite, and the instructions do say to start on freshly shampooed hair. I don't know what I was thinking before. So I'm washing my hair first because I thought about it, and it seems more beneficial for my hair to be clean so that it can allow the protein to actually get into my hair strands. If there's dirt and buildup, there could be a blockage. Does that make sense? It makes sense in my head. And as you can see, this Cecred Detoxifying Shampoo is Cecred Blue. This shampoo was really good at cleansing my hair without stripping it. It was gentle on my scalp. It doesn't have any tingling feeling to it. And the blue violet pigment enhances my hair color and tones it, since I did lighten my hair. I know you thought this was my natural color, but it's not. So that's a plus to get all those benefits from one product. But even if you don't have colored hair, it's a nice little detox. I like that the clarifying shampoos that I use don't feel much different than the moisturizing shampoos that I use. My moisturizing shampoos are a bit thicker in texture, but they both make my hair feel the same, which is good because it's not drying out my hair. But also, then how do I know that the clarifying shampoo is doing a deeper clean than the moisturizing shampoo? Doesn't help my trust issues. And after clarifying, I'm going in with the protein fermented rice water concoction that we mixed up. Give it another good shake, but I like that this really doesn't separate when it sits for a few minutes. And I just pour that all over my hair, and I put my hair up and put a shower cap over it to let it sit for 5 minutes while I do the rest of my shower routine. This protein treatment has biotin and amino acids in it, and it's supposed to be good for making your hair resistant to breakage and improving length retention, which is one of my hair goals right now. So it says when your hair starts to feel stiff, the protein treatment is working. I felt some stiffness at my roots, but that was it. But that does make sense since that's where I poured a lot of the product. Anyways, I'm just washing it out and hoping that it did something. This isn't my first time using the Cecred protein treatment. The box comes with like 4 treatments, I believe. And I've used one other brand a long time ago. I believe it was the Apogee 2-step protein treatment. I'll be honest, I'm not consistent with doing protein treatments, but I don't typically see a difference in my hair when I do them. Like, I'm not feeling more softness, my curls look the same, feel the same. I don't know if it's something that I'm supposed to see or feel, or if it's just doing something internally inside the hair strand and I just have to trust it. I really just do protein treatments because I think it's something I'm supposed to do, but like I said, I'm not consistent, so maybe I'd see a difference if I was using it every 6 to 8 weeks. My hair is also low porosity, so there's a chance the protein can't even get into my hair strands. Lord, I'm saying all that to say it's not necessary to spend top dollar on a protein treatment for me. I got the Cecred one on a sale that they were having, a big sale, but if I do stay consistent with these, I would just go back to the Apogee one for the sole reason that it is more affordable and it does the same thing for me. And step 2 is the silk rinse. It feels like a very rich conditioner, but I hate that there isn't much product in here, at least not enough for the amount of hair on my head. So I really try to just focus the product on my ends for this step. And the instructions do say to detangle your hair so that the product can be evenly distributed, but this product does not have enough slip for me to detangle with. And again, it's nowhere near enough product for me to detangle my hair with. So I'm saving that job for my deep conditioner, but I did let it sit for 5 minutes before rinsing it out. And finally, the last step is going to be to deep condition, of course, because no wash day is complete without a deep treatment mask. And of course, we want to balance out all the protein that we just added with moisture. And the one I've been using lately is this Mayel Organics Kalahari Melon and Aloe Vera 2-minute deep conditioner. The jar is done now, but I got this because I liked the scent of it, and I think it was the melon that gave it the scent that I like. Now, I don't know that melon does anything for our hair, but it made the product smell good. I know aloe vera definitely is good for our hair, so. But I also like that this jar lasted me a while, and I think it was the consistency of it. A little bit went a long way because it was very smooth and it had good slip, which helped with my detangling. Typically, I like thick deep conditioners, and this consistency isn't really thick, but it's also not thin. Like, it's not runny. It's kind of a good balance of being able to spread it onto your hair without needing to add more water or without it running down your hair and falling off. So good in between, which surprised me. And I also love that I only have to leave it on for 2 minutes, which of course, I leave it on for longer than that because I don't think any magic is happening in 2 minutes. But it's nice to know I don't need 20 to 30 minutes on the days where I just don't have the time. So yeah, good deep conditioner, but I probably wouldn't buy it again. I've tried better. Okay, so I didn't want to bore you guys with another wash and go routine. It's the same. This is my hair after my little reset. Ignore this part that got smushed over here, but yeah, honestly, I don't usually see a difference or feel a difference when I do a protein treatment. I think we do these things because we're told it's good for our hair and it keeps your hair healthy and stuff like that. But I mean, at least for me, unless my hair is in really bad shape, I don't usually see a difference. But I guess that's the point, right? Like, you don't want your hair to get in bad shape. You would rather take care of it so that it stays healthy and has all the nutrients and everything that it needs. But yeah, same process, same results, same feeling. We're good. Thanks for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below how often you do a protein treatment for your hair, if you do them at all. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you would like to see more of my videos. And I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!